Hey guys, it's my birthday. Yeah, so tonight's my 18th birthday party. And get this right, Mum said I could have it wherever I want. So I'm having it on the blocky route. From Mum. Oh, sick. Mum really wanted to come to the party, but I told her it was just boys only. Besides, I'm an adult now, so legally she can't make me invite her anyway. Going to a party. It's my birthday. Turning 18 tonight.
Turning 18?
Yeah, at midnight. Guess what? They had a special on Sprite. Honestly, it's going to be so good. I've invited everyone, like all the street races, like HTV and Ralph. It's going to be the best. So what do you think? I reckon it's going to get pretty loose. I made party bags. Everyone gets an air freshener. This one's for Dad. I got him Autumn Breeze. Check this out. The Sabrina. It is the best bit, right? Mum said Dad's coming to the party. First time in 4 years. It's going to be the best night ever. Yeah, they won't be far off. Everyone should be here soon. It's awesome because now I've got my licence. I just went and delivered all the invitations myself because the last few years, Australia Post really let me down. I've had the worst luck. Yeah, I guess it's like a shame that like everyone I invited like didn't end up turning up. I guess they must have just got the wrong date or... Dad! You came!
Wouldn't miss it for the world, mate. yeah, that'll do. That'll do.
Do you want a Sprite, Dad?
Not really.
Tonight was even better than I expected. It was so good just to hang out with Dad.
I'll give you a scoop for your documentary. Accident.
Like, honestly, I haven't spent that much time with him since he lost his licence.
Don't drink drive, dickhead!
I think he had even more fun than I did.
Your brakes
Yeah, tough. I like the beat when it goes off.